Hello everyone, welcome to Maths IEC. Here's another GCSE exam style question that you can possibly get in your exams. This is a proof question. You can see there's a cuboid. The length, width and height are given as x, y and z. The diagonal that you can see in red is labeled as capital R. The question is, show that the length of diagonal capital R is given by R equals square root of x squared plus y squared plus z squared. Now this is directly related to 3D Pythagoras. Please pause the video and give this a try. When you want to check the answer, press play. To do this question, I'm going to split this into 2D shapes. So let's consider this triangle first, the one at the bottom. So this one is here. So this is your x, this is your y. And this line here is this green line. Now, this is a right angle triangle. So I can easily work out this length as x squared plus y squared square root. Pythagoras Theorem. So I know this one here is x squared plus y squared square root. Now for the second part, we are going to consider the other triangle here. So this vertical height is z, this one here. And the green line, we already worked this out, square root of x squared plus y squared. And this red line is capital R. Now, this is also a right angled triangle. Now, this triangle is basically this one here, the one I'm shading. So, let's use Pythagoras theorem to this one again. We can write R squared is equal to this one squared plus this one squared. So, x squared plus y squared square root squared plus z squared. When you square the thing with the square root get cancelled out. So it's just x squared plus y squared, and I have this z squared at the end. Now I need to find r, so let's root it. R is equal to square root of x squared plus y squared plus z squared. That is the final answer.